Our first topic this semester is statistics. We want to investigate how to represent and compare data. Statistics is quite useful if you want to organize information you have collected, if you want to prepare a presentation of information, or if you want to evaluate data presented, for instance, in the media. This is a task which you are also going to do in your assignment this semester. And depending on the kind of question you ask, we could classify data differently into two kinds of data. If you ask a question and your estimated outcome would involve words or categories, we refer to that kind of data as categorical data. If your estimated outcome would be a number, or you ask for a number, for instance, how old are you, the outcome would be called numerical data. Let's write down an example for categorical data. Could be the favorite ice cream flavor. And the answer for that could vary, or you could, if you ask such kind of question, aiming at collecting categorical data, you could also give some categories. You could do a survey and then ask people and give them certain answers. For instance, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, or whatever kind of ice cream, to minimize the range of answers. An example for numerical data could be if you ask a question for the shoe size of people, and the answer to that would be a number. If you ever come across this, there are actually two different types of numerical data, and one type is called discrete and the other one continuous. So what does it mean? The answer would still be a number, but if you have discrete data, that would be more an integer, so a whole number, or a category. You could, not a category, but you could say something, what's your shoe size is a good example. If you say my answer is 41, that is a discrete answer, or you say your answer is 40.5, that's also discrete. However, if you give a question aiming, for instance, at body height, you ask somebody how tall a person is, or ask different people how tall they are, and then you can have a whole range of numbers. So continuously aiming, let's say, from 1 meter is 50 to 2 meters, and all numbers within that range could be possible outcome. What I want you to do now is practice the classification of data, or the different types of data, exercise 801, that's on page 197, and that's only 3 little questions.